Alright, y'all, we finna go ahead and take these guys to get washed up. Finna head to all about pets. We go to Pet Supply Plus, man. I got 3 more washers on my car. We finna go ahead and get them washed up, cleaned up. I'm gonna come back home, probably wash KK and Bonnie up. I'm gonna take the pups out, you know, get them together. Let me show you. Y'all see my tag still out. But I ain't gonna put them out too much. You know. Check them out. Lilac Tan Try, baby. Big boy, big head.
He went back down right when
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me.
Kodak. I got I'm zoomed out, but I'm like I'm
I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way.
Put up at Pet Supply Plus. Figure these dogs out, man. Hope they go smooth. I know I'm gonna take all 3 of them out at the same time, but you finna see what it's about, though. I had my baby girl grab one of them for me. I'll grab the other one. Got the gang, y'all. I'm gonna wash them up, man.
Thank you. Make sure to save some of the paper towels to wipe it down. You need more paper towels? I can get you some or another. I don't got no more bags. More paper towels.
Look it.
Caucasian.
Ooh, it isn't big. He looks so fluffy. Can I pet? Can I pet? Can I? Dad, would you want a dog like that? Dad, would you? Guys, we're gonna show you the other. Come on, Nova. We got the hamsters. We got the bunnies. Say hi, Mr. Green Apple. We got a little lazy hamster in here. Which doesn't have anything. Yeah. And we got the fish. Last fish. Is that a snail on that? Sorry. No, but Sissy used to have a pet fish, but it didn't turn out so right. Ew, no, but it's a Guys, She went 10. Oh, you probably want to pause the video for that. Is that a bottom? Nova. And we got there's a catfish staring at me. Mr. Green Apple. Yeah, some of the other fishes that we saw. This one's so pretty. Wow. What do you guys think? It looks like a female. Ma'am, are you a female? Really? The excitement treatment? No, don't press. No, but stop. It's missing. Some fishes do a silent treatment, which they always do. Ooh, we have a big fish. We're going.
You breathing?
Yeah.
Mom, me.
Yeah, man.
Damn me.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, cause he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we catch the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in